Hello student, today we learn 6th standard science. In that lesson number 4, disaster management. See on page number 26 of your textbook, disaster management, and first page number, that is 26, and all these pictures we have discussed about that in the previous video. So in this video we learn next part of this chapter. See on next page number 27. How and why do the following disasters occur? First one, floods due to heavy rains. Then an earthquake, lightning, and a volcanic eruptions. Why and how they occur? And next, forest fires. Then increased risk due to high density of population in a limited area, and rampant and irregular constructions. Then ecological imbalance and terrorism, riots and crimes resulting in bomb explosions, assaults, fire and accidents, etc. And these are all disaster. And from that there are some disasters are man-made disasters and some are natural. So disasters are of two main kinds, that is man-made and natural. See in this blue shade region there given some disasters, and we have to classify them in both the kinds. Classify the following disasters as man-made or natural. See fire, obviously fire is a man-made disaster. Then earthquake, it is natural disaster, it does not create man. Leakage of chemical gases, yes, it is man-made disaster because careless of man it can happen, leakage of chemical gases. Storms, it is natural disaster. Floods also natural disasters. Tsunami also natural disaster. Then bomb explosion, it is man-made disaster. And collapse of a building, it is due to the man because there is a need of reconstruction. Okay. And war is also man-made disaster. Forest fire, it is not a man-made disaster, it is natural disaster. And as like we classify given disaster in both kinds, that is man-made disaster and natural disasters. Okay, then we learn most important disaster, that is earthquakes. Movements in the interior of the earth release tremendous amounts of energy, and this causes seismic waves leading to movements of the earth's surface like tremors, shaking and cracking of, etc. And such vibrations or quaking in earth's crust is known as earthquake. And it is believed that besides other causes, man-made causes like mining and construction of big dams can also lead to earthquakes. And there are adverse effects of these earthquakes are destruction of infrastructure, that is buildings, bridges, roads. See in this picture below given shown that there is a destruction of road. Railway tracks also changed due to the earthquake. These all are the adverse effect of earthquake, and this is very harmful to us. Then change in the direction of the flow of the rivers, yes, it is very adverse effect. In the earthquake there is a change in the direction of flow of the rivers happen. Then huge loss of life and property, yes, in the earthquake there is huge loss of life and property also happen. So these are the effects of earthquake. So student, today we see what are the two types or kinds of disaster, and that one man-made and natural. And then we have learned from that first disaster, that is earthquake, and it is of type natural disaster. But reason behind that natural disaster is a man-made causes. Okay student, and their adverse effects are very dangerous, and this all we learn today. So student, today we will stop here, and in the next video we'll learn remaining part of this chapter. So bye bye student, thank you.